will be hailed as king and another one as queen. This is Mr. and Miss PBC 2024!
This position to join Mr. PBC 2022
With the rapid advancement of AI, or artificial intelligence in healthcare, how should Davao Doctors College prepare its students to work alongside these technologies?
Now that we have lived beyond the paradigm shift of living beyond what we have known for the past century, we are now living in the digital era. And now that we have lived in the digital era, AI has been prominent among us. We have used AI as a tool. Artificial intelligence has made our lives easier. But the schools, especially the Davao Doctors College, our home institution, we should use it as a tool to innovate more into the education that we have right now. Because I believe that I advocate for the small things or small habits that we make, advocating and acknowledging that we, with our small and humble initiatives, that we can create a positive, large-scale impact, not just in our community, not just in the country, but throughout the world. Thank you.
Goals of your advocacy, and how do you plan to achieve them?
My advocacy focuses on personal sustainability practices. I can be a beacon of light by lifting the torch up high in order for the DBC community to feel cared and valued. With this being said, I can impose something to make our community more engaged in the environmental aspects, such as we can practice Lego or clean as you go, we can practice compost and segregation, and that I do believe that in Davao Doctors College, we do not just foster quality education, we foster people, we foster our environment, and we foster life. That being said, we are valued. You matter, we value that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. On the screen is question 6. In what ways can Davao Doctors College demonstrate its commitment to excellence beyond academic achievements?
Davao Doctors College can demonstrate commitment to excellence beyond academic achievements by making the students embody the school's core values: liberty to learn, integrity, fortitude, and excellence. The students will have liberty to learn, advancing in search for knowledge, integrity, having to uphold what is right and true, fortitude, having the courage to face any adversities that will come their way. Excel in everything they do, because that is how we value life. Thank you.
Is different from other institutions.
So, from other institutions, we have this philosophy that we value life. My advocacy is accessible healthcare for all. Healthcare is never accessible in the marginalized area. This should be an eye-opener for us that we should start moving. We should start making changes as the students here in Davao Doctors College. Because I firmly believe that healthcare should not be a privilege. It should be given to all. Because as a DBCN, we are anchored by this philosophy, and this is surely a testament that we value life. Maayong gabi, salamat!
Currently, we're following values. One of them is liberty to learn. As a student, how will you apply this value towards making DBC a great place to exercise academic freedom?
I believe that we as an outstanding institution and that we of the leading providers that create a wonderful and best healthcare workers, I believe that with our core values, which is excellence, that by being excellent, we can be an inspiration to everyone, that if they work hard for their dreams, they will truly make them come to life. And as the future architects of tomorrow, we hold the power to shape our future, where harmony with excellence and the DDC students is not just an idea, but a reality. Thank you.
Of the highest order. In what ways can Davao Doctors College ensure that its healthcare education remains of the highest order amidst the rapid advancement in medical technology?
Good evening. There are many ways where Davao Doctors can ensure its top spot on providing quality education and producing healthcare professionals in the future. I myself is a testament that this institution really values life, its community, and venue for the students to really learn, because they also value excellence alongside liberty to learn. And this is how we can ensure that it maintains the top spot, because alongside academic pressure, we are also free to learn, to make mistakes, and that is where growth really starts. Thank you.
Values. One of them is excellence. As a student, how will you be able to attain the best results in school, community, and your own advocacy?
I believe as a DDC student, we must embody the four qualities which are the core values of our school. The liberty to learn, integrity, fortitude, and excellence. But if I were to choose excellence, I can maintain its order, but continue to striving for improvement and growth. Because excellence will help us to develop ourselves and be the version of ourselves here in Davao Doctors College. Because we value the students and we value its institution. Thank you so much!
Mr. and Miss 42. All right, Marlon, hit it.
Carlos Lorenzo.
Miss Burma Maglasa. Our new Mr. DDC 2020. Mr. Paul Johnson.
Hi everyone, I'm Rain and I took this video of the Panagdiwang 2024 Mr. and Miss DDC event. I want to clarify that there are no harmful intentions behind it, and my goal was to capture and highlight the amazing energy and excitement of the night, showing how Davao Doctors College students truly enjoyed the event. Thank you and may God bless us always. Bye!